just like steel. But you can see how the plastic is getting hotter and it changes the color. Yeah, this is different than steel. Oh, it's almost like art piece. Yeah, it won't go anymore. It's as flat as that is going to be. So let's raise the press and have a look. Check, the tool got so hot that the grease is burning. Pretty interesting. And we have this giant, I have no idea what that is.
It's cheese.
Yeah, it looks like cheese. You are right. Yeah, but it's still really hot. I think it's like 800 degrees Celsius.